Hey everybody, Matt from A to Z Diecast here. And guess what I got in the mail from Amazon the other day? My exclusive gasser. I'm guessing it was probably for Toys R Us, but we all know what happened to them. But anyway, Amazon gave it out. We all bought whatever we could. I bought 3 of them. I wasn't going to open one up. But I opened up the box. And I look at them, and I'm like, something's off. So that one's fine, as you see. Fantasy car, Camaro, F-150, Mustang, Corvette, fantasy crap, fantasy, stocker, gasser. And look at that. And I say, that's weird. And then I look at that. And I say, wow, those are almost the same cars as this one. What's different? Well, one's upside down. And then I looked over here. The box is open. Well, I really don't care. I'm not one of those guys that doesn't open anything. You guys know that. So I'm going to slide that baby out to show everybody. Again, I open the box like this. It is upside down. So let's see. I mean, can you guys see how crappy the really? That's no, I can't see there. That's the only part of the glue that really stuck. So let's slide this out. So Porsche recolor. This stupid thing, the high roller, which was upside down. I guess you could say it fits in there. Anniversary edition F-150. Is this the Escort? The Focus, I mean? That is the Focus. Cool little drawing of the Focus, the blueprint of it. That's not a bad idea. Alpha. CRX. Miata. Oh no, this is Jaguar. Jaguar. Ford GTLM. Mazda RX-7. I think that's a 5-pack exclusive, right? With the green with the white 10 spokes. And really, here's what everyone's been waiting for. So I'm just going to take it right out. And let's take a look at it. So here we go. Here's our close-up. The Hot Wheels legend. I mean, really, the 55 gasser, not really a legend. But whatever. El Segundo on the back. Nice color scheme. Not going to complain about that. Text, the 50 logo up top. 68 because 1968, what name they got on the side? Eric, and I forget the R. Handler. Other side. Same thing. Rims are okay. There's the front. Looks a little off. Look at that. I guess it's just the axles, huh? I don't know. It looks so weird. Is it my angle on the camera? Which is my phone, you all know that. How about the rear? Nah. Nothing crazy about the rear. But underneath, plastic. Yeah. Put the camera down so it doesn't fall out of my hands again. Rolls. Not bad. Anyway, listen, ladies and gentlemen, it's a gasser. You guys all love them. You know, I'm a Mustang guy, but I know what everyone wants, so I opened this one since it was really basically opened. Anyway, Amazon gasser. Hopefully you guys all got it. That's the sealed one with almost the same cars. Here's the one that I opened because it was opened. Here's the one that's different. You guys tell me what you see. Check out the rest of the videos. Wife and the kids are out at swim lessons, so hopefully I'll get a couple more videos up tonight, but I wanted to get this up for you. Anyway, don't forget to check out our eBay store, Big Belly Toys on eBay. Check us out. Don't forget to like us. Like this video, subscribe, check out all our videos. Comment, reach out, talk to you later. Peace.